Hello, dear viewers. With Mother's Day approaching, people around the world are buying various gifts to make their mothers happy. Consequently, there is a high level of sales related to products for this day in the e-commerce world, and companies are making big profits. Therefore, to not miss out on this opportunity, take advantage of it yourself. Unlike everyday standard products, you can design and sell new products based on the print-on-demand business model. Today, we will prepare a poster design to hang on the wall. The tool we will use is Printify. Printify is one of the most useful platforms for print-on-demand businesses. If you want to stay updated on innovations in the e-commerce field, subscribe to our channel. First, we log in to the Printify platform. In the catalog section, we are presented with various products to design. We select the catalog of the product we want from the catalog section. On the opened page, we are presented with a list of countries. We choose the country we want to sell to. After selecting the country we want to sell to, we get acquainted with the products offered to us. Mugs, hoodies, posters, etc. Today, we will design rolled posters. When we enter the rolled posters section, we are greeted with sample images. In this section, we can find information about the supplier from whom we will obtain this product, key features, care instructions, size guide, and alternative products. We can also get more detailed information about product variants, shipping, production, etc. After reviewing the product in detail, if everything about the product satisfies us, we can start the design process. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have subscribed to the channel, let's start the design process. We will design today with the help of artificial intelligence. The development of artificial intelligence has not left print-on-demand businesses unaffected. The Printify platform has also integrated artificial intelligence services into its platform. If you have a ready design, you can use it. If not, you can use the artificial intelligence function provided by Printify to create a new design. First, we select the format of the images. Here, we are offered various image formats such as anime, comic book, digital art, fantasy art, etc. Let's explore different design styles together. For example, the analog film style offers design styles reminiscent of old films. Then we note down the design idea we have in mind. If you don't have an idea, you can click the Enhance Prompt button to get support from artificial intelligence. In the next step, artificial intelligence will provide us with a design idea. Then, based on the selected design format, artificial intelligence will prepare and present images to us. These images will be entirely AI-generated. It is important to note this. After carefully reviewing the proposed designs, we select the one we like and place it on the product we want to add it to. We adjust functions such as width, height, scale, rotate from the Layers section. After placing it on the product in the desired format, you can preview the designed product by clicking the Preview button. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel to stay informed about innovations in the world of e-commerce. Discover e-commerce world with us.